Congo, you're open to dating people from other places. You're open. Huh? Is there a bird in the audience? You didn't say anything and all of a sudden you released yourself. Ma'am, try again.
Djibouti, East Africa.
Yes, East Africa, honey. You should have said that in the beginning. I thought you were singing a song. I said Congo, you started singing. I love you. Do you have a boyfriend too? No? Are you a lesbian? Maybe you guys can try.